Hello, my name is artist Michael Murray and I'm originally from North Wales. I was brought up in North Wales but I'd been living down in Cardiff for the last 20 years and I've just recently moved back to a little village called Felinheli near Anglesey. I think the building's really fantastic raw space. It's got some really interesting architectural features. I love the fact that the walls have been taken back to the brickwork. That's really interesting. It's interesting to see all the kind of different histories within the building itself. I think it's just fascinating, really. I'm hoping to kind of develop my own kind of ideas for my artwork and hope to kind of exchange some ideas with other artists to try and push my own practice forward a bit more, really. And also try and kind of raise my profile in Wales more, so I can carry on making art.